Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making pumpkin spice cheesecake. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. You will need 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 24 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 30 ginger snaps, 1/4 cup of butter, and 3 eggs. Place the ginger snaps in the food processor to crumble. Now add the melted butter and mix until well combined. Press the crumbs into the bottom of an 8-inch springform pan, then set it aside until later. In your stand mixer, add the cream cheese and mix until softened. Add the sugar, pumpkin puree, and sour cream and continue to mix. Now add the vanilla and flour. Add the nutmeg, clove, ginger, and cinnamon. Add the eggs one at a time and mix until well combined. Transfer the batter to your cake pan, then place your cake pan on a cookie sheet, then transfer it to your preheated oven. Allow your cheesecake to cook for 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, remove the cake from the oven and place it on a wire rack. Allow it to sit for 15 minutes, then transfer it to your refrigerator for at least 4 hours. After 4 hours, it is ready to serve. This pumpkin spice cheesecake is a great fall dessert, and I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To